The 1991 Fiat Panda Cabriolet represents one of the rarest and most unusual chapters in the history of Fiat's small car lineage. Although millions of Pandas populated European roads, a factory-built convertible was never part of Fiat's plan. The few cabriolets that exist today were created by Italian coach builders who converted standard first-generation Pandas into open-top city cars. These conversions were later homologated, making them fully road legal but extremely scarce. To understand the Panda Cabriolet, it is necessary to trace the story of the Panda itself. Introduced at the 1980 Geneva Motor Show, the first-generation Fiat Panda was designed by Giugiaro at Italdesign. Giugiaro followed a strict brief: create a small, inexpensive, robust vehicle with maximum interior space. The result was a boxy, utilitarian shape inspired by the idea of a functional container. The car seated 4 adults, used simple mechanical components, and delivered the practicality needed for dense European cities. Fiat named it after Panda, the Roman goddess of travelers, emphasizing its role as a people's car rather than a reference to the animal. Production continued for more than 2 decades with only 2 facelifts, in 1986 and 1991. Along the way, Fiat introduced numerous variants: the celebrated Panda 4x4, commercial panel versions, and even beach-style Jolly models. Amid this experimentation, independent coach builders saw an opportunity to create a convertible Panda, a configuration Fiat itself never attempted. Cutting the roof of such a small monocoque car required structural reinforcement, so conversions typically included a sturdy roll bar to restore rigidity. The 1991 Panda Cabriolet, offered by My Mini Revolution today, illustrates how thorough these transformations could be. It features restored mechanical components, a rebuilt engine, fresh upholstery in gray Alcantara, and deep black exterior paint. Despite showing roughly 127,000 to 130,000 kilometers, it presents near factory condition thanks to full refurbishment. The soft top remains more symbolic than practical, making good weather a welcome companion. Yet the charm of open-air motoring in such a tiny package gives this car a unique appeal far beyond its modest origins. Today, the Panda Cabriolet stands as a curiosity within Fiat history, rarer than many sports cars, more practical than most classics, and a reminder that even the simplest city car can become an automotive icon when reimagined with creativity and craftsmanship.